Hello, should we crack on with the video then?
Now what we're going to do is make a template around the bottom of the step. What I like to do is start with the step and then work my way up. So, first thing we'll do is make a template. We then trace our template onto it. Remembering that when you put your template on, this edge locks under here. So you line your template up with that edge there. There you go, we're just about done with this one. If you like these types of videos, please check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Now it appears that we have a fit.